Get ready, going green.
Okay, we're at the short Navarra circuit in the GR86. I've qualified near-ish the front. Have we gone? I think we've gone already. Bloody hell. Not even on the main straight yet.
The pace car is in.
Okay, well, let's get on the straight and keep with them. I did the same time as the guy in front. So that was interesting. Okay, well...
Green, green.
Have we got a slipstream? We haven't quite, have we? And this guy's on my left. Going to be in the way.
Left side. Keep to the right. Clear on the left.
Well, we held on to it. That's good. So we can just get away with this pack. We were all quite close. Like I said, I did this exactly the same time as the guy in front. And I did it first, so I thought I would get the place, but they gave it to him for whatever reason. He's got a higher I rating or lower I rating by the looks of it, so I don't know. Let's concentrate anyway. So you've got to be in the 9s, really. That's where we need to be. Low 9s would be good, but probably mid 9s is where we'll top out. Okay, we're back with them. More or less. Half a second back. You don't get a lot of slipstream, I don't find, with these.
5, 2, no.
Well, it's not as noticeable as in other cars, anyway. And obviously this corner is the key for the whole lap, really. Getting around there safely and then getting onto this straight. The guy ahead, he's dropping back a bit, isn't he? So you need him to push on a bit, really. Yeah, and he's made a right mess of that corner, which has really put us off. Yeah, could do with getting by him, really. He's letting all those others swarm all over us. He's lost the slipstream, which is not good.
1, 1, 1.
I say we need to be in the 9s. Slow around there as well. Like I say, he did the same lap time as me, so I'm surprised it's so slow. Well, we're going to make a move.
Stay on the right. Clear. Car right. Keep to the left.
I don't know if that worked or not, did it?
Clear.
I think it has.
Car right. Clear.
Okay, well that was risky. I thought I might get tagged then, but I wasn't. So we're 4th, but we're a long way back. Just want to get away from these guys behind, really.
10.046. New fast flat for you. You're in 4th position.
Need to be going quicker. We got round better that time. They were all slow behind, I think. We should have a better run into this tight right-hander coming up. And if they battle a little bit, that's all we need, I think. Yeah, that's all we need.
Behind.
Yeah, and they've just straight up braked themselves, haven't they? And they're side by side into that corner. So that's going to give us the advantage. Are we closing? Not quite.
9.505. New fast flat for you.
Yeah, we're closing now.
Why I would push you if you were way good?
10 minutes to go.
We're with them. Okay. And we're away from the guys behind, so that's good.
I was 3 times faster than you in the quality and you wanted to push you. God.
Oh dear.
What?
I don't know who's complaining about what. That's worked for us. It's brought us back to them.
Tá dando o piloto da Eurocup 3 aí?
What we don't want to do is let the others come up. And that guy behind, Martin, is catching a little bit.
Só hoje deu ruim porque só teu fã, mano. E aí deu merda. But mate, Zavala, I was 4 times faster than you in the quality. Why you want to push you?
9.807.
Okay.
The car in P8 just next to fastest lap. 9.271.
So that's the fastest guy who's just got the lead. But he's not letting him have it, the guy in second, is he? They're all fighting. This does feel like this could end in tragedy. And I don't want to get caught up in it if I can help it.
Car right. Still there. Clear.
And it's let the guy catch up, hasn't it? He's there. Martin is there.
Left side. Clear on the left.
He's probably going to make a move, isn't he? Just need to take this slipstream.
10.643. The leader just did a 10.
He's just pushed me a little bit, which is helpful. Yeah, we really did go slow that last lap. Like a whole second off. So we're messing around. Gone a little bit quicker now, I think. It's hard to see where we're going to get by, though.
You cannot realize that I'm trying to push you and I'm not trying to overtake you. Why? We were fighting now, you want me to push you, we'll push you. Why are you closing the fucking door?
Oh dear, oh dear. It's all happening, isn't it?
Charlie, don't park in the corner next time.
What's going to happen then? It does feel like something's going to happen. They're all swooping around. It wouldn't take much. One of them just to pit maneuver the other. It wouldn't take much. I'm braking early because I don't want to run into the back of them. Okay, where are we then? What sort of times are we doing?
9.904.
Yeah, we're just not going very quick, are we? That guy behind takes a slightly different early part of the corner and he really closes up, doesn't he? But I don't think he gets the exit as well. Okay, we're going a bit quicker now. Can I keep up? Struggling a bit now. They're getting away.
5 minutes to go.
The leader has outbraked himself. He's going to slow us all down.
Right side, clear. Nine point 821.
How close do you want it? We've got someone else joining us as well, by the looks of it. The guy that was ahead of me on the grid. Yeah, he's coming up to join the fun. Just got to be so precise.
Fuck are we racing back here?
Okay, did he have a good exit? He seemed to close and then he's dropped back a bit, hasn't he?
Got our dicks in our hands, watching the front pack just pull away. Great. Good job, everyone.
9.
It's always someone else's fault, isn't it?
Just out the fastest lap. 9.062.
How did he hold that? Bloody hell.
Clear.
Mainly that's why I was defending all the time.
Was not intentional. I let you by, that's why.
I mean, all the time in all the break-ins, and I know that was not intentional. It was just a matter of time to happen.
Oh. Bit of bumping. That's a pit manoeuvre waiting to happen as well, isn't it? We haven't got long left.
You're done with the race.
And the guys behind are right there as well, aren't they?
Car on.
He knows if he pulls out, though, I'm going to have the slipstream and he won't.
Still there, hold your line. 10.
So I'm guessing he won't be able to pull alongside, will he?
Still there.
He's still there, though.
Still there.
Still there.
Stay on the left.
Oh, come on.
Right side.
What's he doing?
Clear.
Jesus Christ, you've got to give someone room on the exit. You can't just drive me off the road. Bloody idiot. Well, that's not helped, has it? I gave him all the space in the world. But we will have a look at the replay, and if it's my fault, I will apologise, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't. Where are we? 5th. Oh dear. Doesn't feel like there's a lot of room on this track, does it?
Last lap.
Oh, that's nice. Back marker's getting out of the way. That's good. People don't always do that. We've dropped too far back, haven't we, from this lead group?
11.07. The leader is running 9.5.
What's Victor doing?
That car is a lap down. Car on your left. Clear.
Thanks, Victor. Yeah, we're just too far back, aren't we? I don't think we're going to do anything yet.
There's an incident ahead.
So there's been some touching, but
you.
not enough.
Thank
I think we're going to be stuck in 5th here. I don't think we've got enough. No, we haven't. 5th it is. Well, that was a very tense race, wasn't it?
Car right.
Very tense. Goodness.
There's the flag. It's over.
Good fun, though. Sharing about the little incident. We'll have a look at the replay.
Good work.
Okay, and so here's the incident. This is where it happened. So he got up my inside. He was there. I gave him lots of space. I moved all the way to the outside. And fair play. He gets up. He got the apex. So this is all fine. I mean, I'm right out to the side. Lots and lots of room. And then he just tries to take the line. I'm there. I don't think you can just do that, can you? Anyway, I guess I could have slammed on my brakes and got out of his way. But I think that was okay from me. But anyway, let's have a look from the other angle. Okay, so it's up the inside. I'm right over the edge. Lots and lots of room. Hits the curb. I'm just following that guy, and then he just comes across. I mean, and that's the problem then. You sort of, you pit maneuver yourself, don't you? But anyway. Okay, here's the start then. So what happened after the start? This is a bit further back down the field. Is this just, oh, he braked a lot more than probably necessary and caught that guy out. Oh, this is me going up the inside. And then what happened? Okay, all right. Those two got together a little bit. That was the guy that I hit, wasn't it? Or got hit by, whichever way you look at it. And then a lot of bumping going on around the back. And then, oh gosh, yeah, they just outbraked themselves. Oh my God, where was he coming from? Yeah, he definitely outbraked. Oh, and that one. My goodness, yeah, he was never going to stop, was he? Sometimes you just get a bit unsighted and you miss your braking point and it all goes flying. But yeah, that was not good. I like the Nesquik paint job. Oh, okay. Now what's going to happen? Just an up and under. Do they touch? Yeah, just a tiny bit. I want a tiny bit more. And then again. Oh dear. Oh dear. Unlucky. Is that Spider-Man? Oh gosh. Bloody hell. Where was he coming? I think, you know, if you suddenly outbrake a whole load of people, it probably means you're not braking enough. Or you've braked too late. Goodness, they're having a good old bash, aren't they, these cars? I'm trying to get... Yeah, he just hasn't... You just know, don't you? You can see... Okay, and this is my incident. Oh, yeah. Okay, is what it is. Now, what's he done? So, did he just go off then, or what? No, nothing happened there. Oh, bit of a bash. And then what have we got? Oh, he just gets a really good run, but there's a car in his way, so you have to wait, don't you? Well, interesting. Yeah, very tense race that. Okay then, so that was top split out of 9. No safety rating change, but a good chunk of I rating, so I'm quite pleased about that. Lap time wise, so a 9 flat, 9.2, 9.4, 9.5, 9.5. Yeah, so there or thereabouts. He had a bit more speed. I don't know if that was with slipstream or what, but we all had slipstream at some point. And I think it was Martin, was it, that I hit or got hit by or whatever. So 2 incident points and no change in safety rating. That's interesting, isn't it? What do you have to do to get some safety rating? Okay, right. Well, good race. I enjoyed that, despite the incident. But it's a good car combination. Always have good fun on Navara, particularly the fast one. And GR86s are robust, let's say, to drive. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.